If you're a complete beginner coming back to the guitar, or you just want to sharpen your skills, head to the Skill Builder section. D major shape, shape 2 in the key of G, extended. Here we go. 2, ready, go. D shape, shape 2, in the key of G, extended. I know it's a lot, but I promise I'm laying seeds for the future. But we're going to continue to stay focused on our drills. So this is a big one, okay? Phase 1 should really look like this. We are making big jumps. We're going from 3 to 5 to 7, and then again from 3 to 5 to 7. It's our first really big stretch, okay? And we're getting out of our lanes. So what we want to do on that one is it's okay in phase 1 if we kind of chase our fingers, okay? And I really want us to be index middle centric and then pinky. You're going to have a tendency to go index ring, and it's a really wide gap for that pinky. I'd rather teach that index and middle to start separating, and then the pinky can grab, okay? So in phase 1, we're not going to be too worried about our right hand. We're going to be learning our stretch a little bit over here. If we chase a little bit, that's okay, and we follow it. I'm okay with that in phase 1, okay? In phase 2, we're going to start being semi-comfortable with the metronome on our left. We'll have worked all the way up, and then guess what? We'll start implementing a bit of our right hand, trying to really focus on that alternate picking. I know, it's so important though. Again, we got those 3 points of contact, left, right, and brain. So making sure that our right hand is working with us is vital. So as we head into phase 2, it should look like this. Here we go. Ready, go. Down. Up. Down. Up. You get the gist, okay? Also pointing out, this is the first time that we're really shifting up the neck. So not only do we have a wide gap at the bottom, but then we get in our lanes 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, and then we have to shift our hand up 5, 7, 8. This shape is awesome. We use it a ton as guitar players, and it really connects our fretboard, making sure that nothing feels floating. Great. Mental mindset. I call this one when. When. It's so important, all right? We're so easy to overlook this one, and this may take a minute. You may need to toss it around your schedule until you find the pockets that fit. I'll give you a really great example. My life is ever changing. The wildness and the chaos of life and living is intense and frankly fun, but overwhelming. Well, I just had a beautiful baby girl 9 months ago, and guess what? I had to relearn when and how I could practice, especially through that phase, which was really interesting. And frankly, it literally changes every month. So I find I get like a 3-month window where my new when happens. Well, my current when is 7:15-ish, but mostly 7:15-ish in the morning when my beautiful baby girl finishes eating her food and we're hanging out and playing. We'll play for a little bit, and then she's got a little pen that she hangs out with her caterpillars and her toys. Well, she goes in there while daddy runs his practice regimen. I pull up the app, and I run 20 to 35 minutes of practice right then. We play together. I love it. She loves it. She has this super cute little shake and goes back and forth, and it's amazing. It's so endearing. But I found that pocket of when. So for you, when you're looking at your life, look at your whole week, look at your calendar. What you want to do is you just want to try. And then you want to keep track of those tries. So let's say we're going to attempt for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because as you know, if you follow along, we love consecutive days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're going to do it let's say 8 a.m. before we go to work. We're just going to try to pull up the app really quick, run that practice regimen because that's our low-hanging fruit. And then as we get to our other stuff, we can do that and see if that works. If it doesn't work, guess what? We're going to pick another one, but maybe try that 2 weeks in a row. Probably after 2 weeks, you've got enough data. If it doesn't work, go ahead and swap it. I highly recommend use the app to set you reminders and send those in. Calendar it, try to put it on the calendar, try to build space. That can feel a little bit tough for people. Some people just like reminders. They just want to know that on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I'm going to practice. You could try that method. See if it works. You're kind of a window person or you work at home and you have pockets. So what we want to do is we want to try to, though, pick our wins. We want to try them for 1-2 weeks. We want to see if they worked. If they didn't, we need to make edits. I find a lot of learning guitar is the psychology and the when of guitar. So keep your guitar out and near your most popular place that you are in your house, especially for that when, and keep it in tune and try some different whens, okay? Getting a little bit of a system is going to be vital. Systems are huge and they do change a little bit. Like right now, I'm playing To My Girl, but that girl gonna be walking here in no time. And I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna figure it out and I'm gonna find a new when and a new time. All right, so mental mindset, this one is when, and this one is about trying, keeping track, and making edits until those gears click and you found a when. You found a time that you can pick up that guitar and practice. All right. Hey, you made it this far, and that is absolutely awesome. That means that you truly care about learning and understanding. That's why I built FretRepz for you. It offers clarity, tracks progress, and turns drills into real skills. No more wasted time, no more guessing. Head to the link below or go to FretRepz.com and give it a try. Also, if you found this information helpful, please subscribe and ring that notification bell because we got plenty more coming. FretRepz. Practice smarter, play better.